In this video, we're going to cover transferring your Amazon gift card to your bank account, and I'm going to tell you straight away that you cannot do it. There are a couple of videos on this exact platform saying that what you can do is use your Amazon Pay balance to buy digital gold. You cannot do this. You cannot do this. For many years they took this feature away. So I'm not sure where they're getting their information from, but I'm telling you right now, you cannot do it. If you maybe still have a gift card, you can try and sell your gift card, but if you have the actual Amazon Pay balance, your best bet is to just buy something with that balance, unfortunately. So sorry for the bad news. Sorry if you feel as if your time was wasted, but I felt like I needed to make it clear so that people can stop searching and hopefully not end up getting scammed in any way trying to make this conversion. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.